Patrick, please no, Grillprod.
That's crazy. Hold on, Sandy. I want to see what else you got in here. I see a fridge over here. Let me see what's in the fridge. Oh, I can't open it. What is this?